This video is brought to you in part by Boutique FDB. Hey everybody, hope you're having a good day. So today I'm going to have some fun with some Old Dominion Legionnaires Praetorians, and we're going to do some corrosion effects with two paints. The Vallejo Verdigris, which is the one we're going to be starting off with. This is a game effects, and I had a lot of fun using this little sponge to dab this on there. I was like, okay, I'm going to try and be like all those cool painters out there. And number one, I want to be a great big shout out to Will Flaherty, sorry about that, at the highlight level. Thank you for joining the channel and becoming my very first member on YouTube, Easterlings Tabletop Miniatures. You too can become a member and join in on the fun, get some exclusive perks, exclusive videos, shout outs, and everything. Alright, so returning to my painting here, like I said, I'm using a little broken piece of sponge and I dabbed some verdigris on there, and I'm just going around dabbing it all over. So this miniature was primed with a Army Painter's matte black air primer and then given a sort of base coat with some greedy gold from the air paint just on the armor. I tried to get just the armor, but I mean it doesn't matter, I'm going to be painting over the rest of it anyways. And the point is to get, because these guys are undead, right? So they came back with these like spirits and stuff like that, and I don't even know the lore. I should really read up on these guys more. The Old Dominion is awesome though, by the way. And if you haven't seen me paint the caryatids, take a look. That link will be showing up here in a second. Yeah, so this verdigris is like an oxidization or a corrosion effect that you can put. You can also use it for other things too. I heard it's good for ghosts and stuff like that, but it works really good on the metal, and it really gives it like you know, if you look at a bronze statue and you start seeing green popping out of it, weathering effects. Like look at the Statue of Liberty as well. She's pretty much all green now. She was originally all, I think, copper or bronze. Anyways, it's a weathering effect too, you know. So now we're looking at Nihilak oxide, Nihilak, I don't know how to say it, but this time I'm going to dab it on with this old brush I have. This used to be I think it was I don't remember what kind of brush this was, but it was horrible, or it is horrible now. Anyways, I'm just dabbing it on instead of using that sponge because they kept dropping the sponge and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, we're just going to use a brush here and stipple this on here quickly. Again, you know, you're getting it pretty much just on the armor. It doesn't matter if you get it on other parts because you're going to paint over it after, but you'll want to do this before applying any other paints just in case, so that you don't get it on the other parts of your miniature. They both go on very well. They both got a good consistency. I find the color is almost identical. There isn't very much difference in them. So if you're picking them up, I'd say, I don't even know which one's cheaper. I think the Vallejo Game Effects one is a bit cheaper, and I'm not sure the bottle size again, actually. I think you get more in the Vallejo one. I've had the Game Effects one for a while now, and I just want to pick up this Citadel color one just to test it out. So here you go. Here you can take a look here now. The difference, or not much of a difference, it's actually very, very, very similar. The effect it gives once it dries out, giving that nice metal corrosion. This is it's awesome. This is going to look perfect on this army. As you can see now, I painted them all up. I've added a wash on top. It has died down, like diluted a bit the oxidization, but anyways, still pretty cool. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.